In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unsync Google Photos on smartphone. If you want to stop your phone from automatically backing up photos and videos to Google Photos, this process is very simple and only takes a moment. Unsyncing Google Photos usually means turning off the backup feature so new images on your device are no longer uploaded to your Google account. This can be helpful if you want more privacy, want to save cloud storage space, or just prefer to manage your photos manually. To begin, open the Google Photos app on your smartphone. Make sure you're in the app itself and wait for the main screen to fully load so all menu options are available. Once you're in Google Photos, look for your profile icon, which is usually located in the top corner of the screen. Tap on your profile to open your account and app options. This is where Google Photos keeps the settings related to your account, backup preferences, and storage details. After that, scroll down through the menu until you find Photo Settings. Take your time here because depending on your device or app version, the layout may look slightly different. The wording should still be very similar, so just look for the Settings section connected to Google Photos. When you see Photo Settings, tap on it to open the full settings menu. This is where you can control how the app handles your media, including backup behavior. Next, select Backup. Inside this section, you'll see the main backup control for your account. To unsync Google Photos on your smartphone, simply toggle off Backup. Once this switch is turned off, your phone will stop automatically syncing new photos and videos to Google Photos. Keep in mind that turning off Backup does not delete the photos that were already uploaded before. It only stops future uploads from happening automatically. Your existing items in Google Photos will remain in your account unless you remove them separately. Also, if you use multiple accounts in Google Photos, make sure you're changing the backup setting for the correct account. That's especially important if your phone is connected to more than one Google profile. And that's it. Once backup is turned off, Google Photos is no longer actively syncing new media from your smartphone. If you ever want to turn syncing back on later, you can return to the same backup section and re-enable it.